social media ke balese kati wembeera musomesa goba teacher
kati atenze mbalekityala oli teacher
kubone ku Facebook bakalese kati olaba wembeera graduate goba atikiddwa abantu bamanyidde bannaabo ne bagenda bakwata simayiro ya Bebe Cool ne bagita simayiro ne bakwata Bobi Wine namugamba akamwenyumwenyu olabya ddala akamwenyumwenyu wallahi
kalate
ne bakwata famire y'omuyayi
ebani
Kyagulanyi
Bobi
naga nti this is a family ne basawo wali gundya Bebe Cool nti abenju
kalate
naye yakoze akantu ako
nzate akasinza okunyumira wasinza okunyumira bulyo omanyi Abamerika waliwo kakis kafaananyi nga Obama akisinga Michelle awo ne basaawo kiss waliwo ne Mugabe yali akisinga mukazi we ne basaawo ogwe
waliwo gwe bajolonze ennyo ono kye bamukoze eno bataddeyo Joel ne basaawo Yoweri abayayi basiba Brian White
naye bannange omuntu akwagaliza ekkomera Brian White bamusiba naye bamusiba omanyi alina ebintu byeyakyusa mu kkomera olwatuuka mu kkomera bwati manyi ekkomera li bamusibiramu waliyo waadi ya buvunanyizibwa basibirayo bantu balina misango gya buvunanyizibwa wakubira omuntu esafi nga togenderedde okitegeera oteeberezebwa wakubidde omutujju essimu
omusobe gwavunanyizibwa
gye basibira Brian White olwamutuusa mu kkomera bwe pa nassa abasirikale ku peroolo ne bakazi baabwe n'abateeka ku peroolo
eyaki naawe
towakana emmere n'ekyuka
babadde balya migaati ku makya n'emirala
abaali bali akawunga kati abayayi be basibira eno mu makomera agali loko ne bayiiya tukoze tutyo tusibako ne Brian White tufune kasente gwe musirikale abayayi batetenkanya ofisa
wandera ali awandiika gundi
bajja be Kabaya totya leka tumuliire
ani oyo
Kabaya
bayingira
ofisa wandera kawani kijjajja
gyetuli gyebala
mweyagala ennaku zino bangamba mulina ku peroolo
ani abigamba
bantu boogera mulya nankoko
okimya ekikawa
ati mwe tubadde tuzze kwewaayo
nkuki
mwali munoonya abattaka weeki yenze nekyakuwa
wangi
nze nekyakuwa ffe twattaka weeki
omusango mwesibako ogumanyi
tetulina tabu ffe kasita otusiba ne Brian White
omusango gw'amaanyi
mutwongereko n'emirala nga atempting murder
atempting ki
atempting murder
leepu kale
ffe tetulina
watakaweesa
ffe twattakaweeki ate nono bba wagundi
ani
wono mama Phil nakyo tutiinamu omukono
mutekusibwa ne Brian White
mutusiba ne Brian
ne bamukwata ne babatwala mu kkooti ate olowooza babatwalayo mu kkomera agambe katwetwale
tutwale tumanyi gye bamusibira ne beesooka ekkomera baali bakaliyingira ennaku ezi Brian White ne bamuta
ofisa wandera awoza emisango egyo Kabaya mujje wano muveeyo mu kkomera
kyakuwa jangu
kakati ekkooti we yamaze okuta Brian White n'agenda bamutadde bamutadde ku Mande kati mwe muddako waneeno ku Lwokubiri mugenda woza emisango giri 5 mwattaka weesa mwatta bamama
watuwandikako musango ki nga tujja muno ffe twattaka weeta nga Brian White ali muno aba taliimu tiffe ffe twabba amataala ga piki towaka
Level. Surprise. How are we doing? I'm the brownest person from Nai Village. When I reach there, I'm like Chris Brown. Hey! You know, I went to my village for Christmas. I came back. Those people made me think I'm a celebrity. When I came to Kampala, I started doing things that I'm not supposed to do. You know, when ladies do some things on Facebook, it is nice. A lady can go on Facebook like, hey guys, today I'm in my mood. Ask me anything, I'm going to answer. Then they start, hey, Bobby, I like your hair. Hey, where are you still a virgin? You know, like you see the comments coming. Wah, wah, wah. Even me, I wanted the comments. I'm like, guys, today I'm in my mood. Ask me anything. I will answer. 3 seconds, my landlord. Sebo, Sasula D. Life is hard. But by the way, let us pray for radio, for Mose Radio. He's one of the most talented vocalists. Me, I know. And Uganda cannot stand to remain with the Weasel. We can't. Whoever was fighting should have beaten Weasel. Do you know, Moses, a song is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Radio sings like all the 4 minutes. Weasel has only 2 words. Those are 3 seconds. Let me say. That is his part. It is done and he waits to be paid. But thank God, Radio is a rich man. He is a rich man. He has money. He's getting all the medication he wants. Do you know, in one night, he was taken to 3 different hospitals. That is to show you money with a cracked skull and everything. He has money. He's going to get the treatment. When you are poor, you just break your leg. Your family starts arranging your burial before you die. Like, Kasim. To call your coffin now 6 by 6. They even call, they ask you, it's a bad thing to be poor. And rich people die in peace. You hear the reasons as to why they die: smanya stroke, smanya what, cardiac arrest. The only time a poor man hears the word arrest is when he's going to lose it. It is not a sickness. They die nicely, they go. Have you ever heard when a rich person dies, they have died, they have gone, the story is done? Have you ever heard that the ghost of Michael Jackson has come back? The man went in peace. But poor people, you die because you are not in peace where you are, you come back. Those are the stories you hear, that the grave has been relocated to another place. Sometimes even as they are taking you to the village to carry, the car gets stuck. Like you don't want to go to be buried. But I think a lot about Radio. He's a nice guy. He's a very nice guy. And he's lucky he was beaten by a bouncer. When you're beaten by a bouncer, you can explain to people. But when you're beaten by a small person, a tiny person, I was once beaten by a very tiny person. I couldn't explain to people. And I was beaten in front of my girlfriend. Very painful. I was from a single school. There was no woman in that school for 6 years. If you've been to Mwiri, you know what I'm talking about. 6 years, no girl. Even the senior woman teacher was a man. That is the extent of how single we were. Now, one of the teachers had a daughter who liked me because of my color. You see, most handsome guy around and all that stuff. So the girl liked me. One of the guys called Bongomin. He was a very tiny guy, small. The guy stepped on my bed sheets. I told him, you have stepped on my bed sheets? Meet me behind the latrine in the evening. I knew I had won that fight. Have you ever gone for a fight expecting no one and you find spectators? With my girlfriend inclusive, people are there. I was like, I'm not losing this fight. I'm like, are you sure you want to go ahead with this fight? Nobody forced you into this fight? The guy's like, yeah. He didn't say anything. I started swinging. I gave him one hot one. Bah! The guy was just there. He gave him another one. Why? I looked at my girlfriend. It was sure deal. I was like, hey. Gave him another one. Bah! Small people are very dangerous. I gave him third one. I don't know where the slap came from. I just felt it on my face. Bah! I looked at my girlfriend. I looked at him. I was like, I'm not losing this thing. I was like, wow. I gave me another one. Bah! Now the voice started changing. Are you really ready to go ahead with this fight? I looked at my girlfriend, looked at me, gave me another hot one. Bah! I looked at my girlfriend, I was like, no, I'm not losing this. I came back. Are you? Yeah.
Kabaka yalina birthday najaza abayimbi mwalimu n'esindi mujjukire ennaku ezo mwalimu n'esindi kabaka jjukira kabaka naye muntu nga ki eno joko abaganda abamanya eno joko sirina kaddamusoka kumuza kundya eno joko oyagala mitekamu feeling Obuzi omuntu abantu alifanya banyigani bayoka banyiganyiga. Batana Brian White wanonga yenna ali wasiye mutini yagenda okudanga invisible talabika. Project ali abadde omuna abadde waawo. Kweri nalifanya yali yasoka batoka kati pasoka twakakkana. Kati batwala baganda abanyankole bali batwala eyo. Batana besi yagenda okudanga yalina amaaso alina tuuso. Bano bafukamisa bali yakiro bakogera kubasira mbadolo kabaka. Bajanga bayavula yongenda fule. Bene esonyiwa. Bene eno joko. Naye muzungu wa madize sente ze kwa yange zisogera bya deno oluzungu. Ya manyina abatubonya abonya. Kati gogenda kwa manyimbize musi. Era nze kabaka. Oyimbira kabaka. Kabaka abasimye ne bamunyimbira totunira bali audience bali bonna tebabala ngabana. Oyimbira kabaka. Kati nze musi abegundi ano Patrick obabe mkibi. Bonna bakulide mu Buganda bali masana Museveni abo. Avuzi bitebava ku Buganda ali emengo. Mwizo gamba wabo basingane kabaka obukulu. Kati nze MC kwe muyimbi mpita omuyimbi noja noyimba. Abaganda mwe bali kujja ku program mulonji bweguti. Mbagambe tu live NBS TV twagala kula bene Yasimi n'agamba ku mazalo gana gemyaka enkaga mwene ejobuto. Bana tukubire omuyimbi kabaka Yasimi n'agamba Daudi ogenda Luganda ali emengo. Ebyo bitebiriyo. Daudi lutalo okuva musaza eriye kabula ajje amuyimbiremu. DJ twakaye. Kabaka atedde. Situla wana. Twali Muganda. Oyina okulanya. Tina kwasoka je. Oyina okulanya ojja wano nosoka nolanya yavula bino mbi. Nze ndi Muganda. Nensoka tebiriyo. Tegede. Oyina okulanya wansi okube pressure. Bulungi ze mukubezo osoka owulira ettaka we ligamba. Wewe mwenye uli ataka we ligamba. Again. Bene Yasimi n'agamba omusajja we Misachi Semakula okonzazalie Maukuta aje amuyimbiremu mukubire Misachi obugalo. Lanya bulungi Bene Yasimi n'agamba kulono ntitagenda kulonda Buganda bwokka. Yasimi n'agamba omuyimbi okuva mu saza eri Empale omwana w'Empale Sindi Sinasanyu ajje amuyimbire ku mazaalibwa ge gano mukubire Sindi ogalonga ajja. Yango bere kabaka kajeyo toina yo chayo tawo na kabaka mkufu ayo chacha toina wa chayo ayo chayo wetegereze ngenda kola gambulazi ayo chayo mpunya money got me walking on a double we can't sleep cause this life is a battle sleep a little bit you might just get shot tax money rent money food money fuel money power money water money health money many cars you back ida ko DJ kula gambulazi gero tekaba kwa mtufu all day me I go through trouble. Money got me walking on a double. We can't sleep cause this life is a battle. Sleep a little bit you might just get shot. Tax money, rent money, food money, fuel money, power money, water money, health money. What? Many cars you can't take it, can't no matter send it to Zimbabwe. When I'm in the club, kajeyo. Bamusla usikaka jangu tugende chichi. Iyo sasa jumlaga yayo gedi.